Hi students, today's lecture we are continuing database language commands. Here we are discussed in previous lecture SQL command structure query language commands like DDL, DML, DCL and DQL. Today's lecture we are continuing with the language data control language DCL. Here name itself it called as it's control. Controlling the data means whatever the users will access the data in database system, it's controlling the data. Means it's have some security to give a permission to access the data to the user. Means it controls users access in a database. It controls name itself is there, data control language, controlling the access. Here to control user access in a database related to security is uses. Security is used. Here, so the main use of the database table, is to maintaining the records. We know this thing. Why we are using database table? We are maintaining the records. We are maintaining the tables, data. We are maintaining the data at any organization. We are using database system. The records security. For example, in our college have a database. Like in the college, we are storing the faculty details and student details. Means college is an organization. That organization have a database. We are storing that in the database faculty details and student details. Means the database is having a security is used. Unauthorized users cannot easily access the data. Why? Because we are storing the data in database system. Means database system have a security. Have a security means instead of file system we are storing the data in database system. Here, so the main use of the database table is to maintaining the records. Maintaining the records security. Maintaining the records security and huge amount of data that wants to be stored, that cannot using by the files. For example, we want to store any data. Means we will have some security to store the data in the database system. Data control language with the help of the control language, playing an important role. These two commands in data control language. Here grant means it's giving a permission to the user. It's giving a permission to access the data in database system to the user. And it's a revoke command. In this DCL data control language, it's take back the permission to the user. Here we will see this grant and revoke command. Let us see first one is grant command. Here grant command means it gives user access privileges to the database. Privileges to the database means it's giving a permission to the user. You can access the data, you can retrieve the data, you can modify the data. It's giving a permission with the help of the grant command. Here it's following the syntax of the to access the data with the help of the grant command. Here grant privilege list or relation name or view name. You can also call it as table name. Here relation, we are learning the subject, the RDBMS, Relational Database Management System means relational means table. Here table, we are find out in the relation means relation name or unique, and two user or role list. User or role list. End of the line end with semicolon, and we will see the example for the syntax. Grant all on. Grant all on. And employee. Here privilege list all. Grant giving a permission. The privilege list all on. The relation name or view name employee means it's a existing table employee. To ABC. To ABC means we have a permission to ABC employee details, to access ABC employee details, ABC employee name. ABC is the employee name. We are accessing that employee ID, phone number, age, address, okay, etc. Means it's view or modify the records. These employee ABC, we can view or modify the records employee table. Means we have a authorization and authentication to modify the data, to modify the employee details, employee ABC details, all columns. For example, here all on privilege list all means employee ABC is have a name, ID, age, address, city, means etc. That employee ABC all details we can access. Okay, we can view, we can retrieve, we can modify the records employee table in the employee table. And let us see this second one, revoke command. Here grant means it giving a permission to access the data. It's giving a permission. What is revoke command? Here revoke command is take back the permission. Grant is given the permission to the user, but revoke is take back the permission. Whatever is given, the permission is take back with the help of the revoke command. Here it is used to cancel relation name employee from ABC means user will access to modify the data, to view the data, to retrieve the data. And employee ABC take it with the help of the grant command. It's take the permission with the help of the grant command, and the DCL is cancel the permission. Whatever the user is taken, the permission is cancelled with the help of the revoke command. Now the syntax is revoke privilege list on relation name or view name from where we are cancel the permission from user name. Here the example is revoke. Here update is a privilege list, not a command. We are seeing this update command in DML data manipulation language. But here revoke is a command. Revoke and update is privilege list. Update on the relation name is employee from where we have cancelled the permission. ABC. Today's lecture we are discussing the DCL data control language commands. In previous lecture we have discussed DDL data definition language, DML data manipulation language, DCL data control language, TCL transformation language, and DQL data query language. In data query language we have a select command. In for example some books have that select command in a DML data manipulation command. In the DDL commands we have a create and alter and update. Here alter, create in DDL, alter, create, truncate, drop commands in the DDL data definition language. And now coming to the DML data manipulation language, we have in data manipulation language commands like delete, update, insert, select. And now